Good morning. What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Today, we are going to Disney. So, I think the last time I went to Disney was like December, I think. Like mid-December, before like I went home for winter break. Today, we're going because of, specifically for the fireworks, because of the 100th anniversary. But I'm gonna take you guys with me because I feel like I needed this Disney trip because since school has started, things have been going like but anyway, I'm wearing a purple top. It's a fuzzy purple top because the whole like 100-year thing is like platinum and like purple, I think. So I'm like, I'm gonna do purple. And I have a purple like hair tie on my head, and then I'm wearing jeans. And then I have my 100-year anniversary Mickey ears. So, yeah. Disneyland, yay! It has like Cocoa Puffs on top. We're just stand here and see if you you'll notice.
Stairs, maybe like right here.
I'm saying like I haven't seen Mirabelle at all. I'm like, oh Merida! Oh my god! And she's on this side too. Oh my god! I'm gonna scream. Okay. Mirabelle! Mirabelle! Merida!
past impossible to turn away from me. Holding back tight, but why I can't decide. I want to be the king I know he is, the king I see inside.
Toontown. So Toontown is not fully open, only the ride is open. Oh my god!
And welcome to the premiere.
Thank you. Yes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It is not real, trust us, we tried it.
Goofy, that's a lot of paperwork, but I'll help you.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, my friend. Looks like Goofy wants us to go this way. We're gonna go. Please watch your step.
That is so cool.
Please watch your step.
Hey, Lincoln, Lincoln. Look here, our friend.
That is so cool.
Wait, what could possibly go wrong?
Oh! I didn't know I was gonna do that!
Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my.
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone's here for
I've seen this scene.
Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh.
He's the evil laughing back there. Oh.
That's where I hid all the gold. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I remember now.
Thanks for riding around the park with me. Well, how do you stop one of these things? Only is kept by trusty man. Let's see. Oh, oh! Oh, ow, ow! Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was...
We've had one crazy ride. Come with you, my
Have you seen Three Little Bears also?
Well, last I heard, they were on the top of the Magic Carpet 9.
Oh, not
Oh,
again.
they got to the castle? Oh,
Did they
goodness.
take the magic carpet again all together? You know, they were probably all hanging on to one tassel each.
That's all right.
We're gonna
Sorry, we'll make sure.
I want to have a conversation with her.
Oh my goodness, look. Flawless. Perfection. No makeup. All natural.
Hello.
Check on that apple pie.
Have a good day, Queen. Peter Pan. Hello. I'm gonna leave this scene at this point. Oh, they took all the wood. And they're gone. Okay, besties. We got like chicken bulgogi and then green tea horchata. Ooh. This is so good. What the? I'm gonna try the chicken, guys. So good. It comes with like kimchi and rice.
Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Oswald the Lucky Rabbit
Those are so
as we
pretty.
celebrate the year
Oh
of
my
the
God.
rabbit. The blooming flower is a comforting symbol for Mulan. His father taught her that she would blossom beautifully in her own time. Dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that traditionally, ribbon dance was performed for loyalty.
Oh my God,
Oswald! Mulan loves to swirl the colors of the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. This centuries-old art form celebrates a rich heritage of bravery and honor.
Oh my God, oh my God. Hold on. Mulan!
The fan and umbrella dances are two of Mushu's favorite ancient art forms. They represent beauty, grace, and delicacy.
Chip and Dale.
And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Oswald the Lucky Rabbit as we
Oh.
Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
barricades in front. We literally got the barricades.
So tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to a very first try, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. Stroke of the pain to reach motion and reach high. It's the magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterfly.
Oh my god!
Can you believe?
you remember that can only take you part of the way. You gotta help along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I could and I'm almost there. I remember Dundee told me fairy tales do come true. But you gotta make them happy. And I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gonna come in everywhere.
Will today be the day? Be ready to fly. Could take a trip.
Come on, everybody. Oh my God.
In you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squads. We can be immortals.
Oh my God! Shut up! Oh my God!
Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast and take them by surprise. It's make your mama's proud time.
Note to self, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
Oh my God!
I will never be good enough.
Oh my God.
I came here to make the world a better place.
Zootopia.
I think I broke it.
Dang, crying session now.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
And that's how we finish it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás, ya son milagros. Viendo crisálidas, hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. To fly apart, to live your life, wonders around you. Just let the words come down. Don't look behind you, cry till you find. Wait till tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
So, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Oh my god! I swear I saw a bull on the side. Round 2, let's go. Our boarding group finally got called, and it's like 10:40. Oh my gosh. What the heck? The feisty ducks, oh my god. Mishka, Mushka. Stop. Oh my god. Mishka, Mushka. Mickey Mouse. Y'all, oh my god. The moose. Oh my god. Mouse Kadoo. It's like, can you press it? Oh, this one works. Extra hot sauce. Oh, so mean.
Oh, we're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
The times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song. Absolutely nothing will go wrong. We're in the open highway, and I'm gonna go it my way. Everything is just so peachy.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how, because we're very trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Oh, excuse me. You there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people in the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I mean, it sounds like a lot